Today we are going to be talking about how to receive a material item from a purchase order. On your Start Center, go to the Purchasing and Receiving application. For our example today, we'll use PO number 20004, but you will use a particular purchase order from your organization. Now you select the record. You will see the description of the material receipt, which in this case is LaserJet printers, the company you ordered it from, and the person receiving the receipt. You can also receive a service receipt if you have a service to receive from the PO. But in this case, we're going to be receiving a material receipt from this PO. You have 5 choices to choose from, but in this case, we're going to choose the select ordered items. Here you will see the item that we want to receive against the purchase order. We have a total of 15 printers that we purchased, and you can adjust the quantity if necessary. So we want to receive the total amount. Click the checkbox and press OK. Here you see that we have successfully received all 15 LaserJet printers, and now we can save the record.